Marzipan. I can't join. Can I join also? I'm Zayn. Can I join? No, who is this? Is Iron. Yep, but I changed the face. Okay, I'm gonna join with my mobile. Woo! Woo! Zayn, come to give me my mobile and my.
Wiggle wine.
Don't make on my tent. I'm gonna make a house.
What house?
For me and Marshall. My mobile slide.
No, you said the tent.
No, the house. Okay, the tent.
I don't know what that
The
is.
tent is better. Yes. But I don't want to clean, but I'm gonna live with this.
I can't move, Lucas. You have no space.
Okay, but I'm gonna move. You want to
Okay,
exercise?
stop, stop. It's okay, it's okay.
I'm gonna take my mobile, Ken. Nice. You can fly my mobile also. Oh, can we take this mobile? Can we take this mobile? Again, can we take this mobile? Yeah, you can. Thank you, because I don't want to lose my information. But me, I already chosen. Oh, then we don't need you. We need a person, a cowboy. It's me. I'm a cowboy. Yeah. Oh, I'm a cowboy. I'm joining. I'm a cowboy. Oh, yeah. Can I join in this mobile or please? Yes. Ooh. Ooh. No, I'm gonna go here. And I'm gonna go here. No. Let me see. How to turn? Well, can I put these back? Okay. Back. Can I take you? Please? Nope, I'm looking. Nope, no one could. Oh.
Lucas, after this, you eat, huh? It's 6 o'clock.
It's 6 o'clock already?
Yeah, very fast.
I'm under his mobile.
Then, Hogyon,
Yeah.
we will send you back home.
After that.
After that, you're in your house.
Ah, I'm confused.
Wiggle wine.
We're ready for the battle of dinosaurs. I don't care. Uh-oh. Oh, dinosaurs, you fool, you can defeat me.
But remember, all the mess you create is...
No.
No, what no?
Okay. But it's too
You
much.
and Hogyong will clean up after.
Where can you fit you guys, but not now? Can I tell you guys? My monkey kid allows me to utilize his weapon. Can I join? Please? Yeah. Good. Why put my weapon? Just stick to it. You can't.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
You got sure. I'm ready for the mission. We can go with you and wait for the tent.
You know what? You have no space to play.
What?
All toys everywhere.
I know what to do.
Yeah, I know also. You,
No.
wait,
Wait.
clean up something.
No.
Clean up
we put-
some.
Wait. We put the toys under the table. Not all. Look what I'm gonna do. Look what I'm gonna do. Look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put all of my spaceships on top of this. If our telephone we need.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Why yes. Okay. What? I'm up and in the rest, this.
Where's the opening?
Everybody the pee.
Can you see where's the opening?
No, yeah.
Where?
This side. And can I join you, my robot? You can go in there. You actually. I'm gonna. It's ready. Oh, I'm tangled. Wait a minute. We have a weapon of Zen. You can't take it out. I know, but I like it.
Good.
I'm gonna.
Ah! No, it's gonna break!
Okay, bye. I'm gonna put this.
Wait, Lucas.
He's gonna break it. You say wait. It's gonna break. 5, 6, 7. Okay, we're ready. I'm scared. What is gonna happen when we're going in? What is going on? A boom boom. A boom boom. Now we will get me a boom boom.
Guys, why don't you start keeping now? It's
A
time.
little.
After you eat, go playing. Okay?
Mommy.
Because it's late. We'll bring you home.
What if I finish in 7:14?
Huh?
What if I finish at 8 o'clock?
No, 8 o'clock.
I think I know. If we eat so fast,
Yeah.
we can play a little bit more. Until my auntie,
No,
we are a ding dong.
No, your auntie will not coming. Your auntie will not coming here to pick you up.
Woo!
Me and Lucas will send you back home.
And then, look, you'll get to see my mom and dad.
No, your mommy and dad is not at home. That's why we will send you back home because your auntie is looking after your baby brother.
Yeah. Can we go in now? Mama, you finished?
Almost.
Robert says, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna go.
Okay.
Okay,
will prepare your food and you eat.
I don't need mom.